Welcome back mga ka-friendship. So at this point, atong sukdon ang kahait sa una-una ni Carol Ann. Because one of the things that we audiences love about you, pag-apili mo sa Miss Southern Leyte, is really your ability to answer the question quick and fast with quality. Mo diyang maingon, quick and fast with quality. The question was given, it was read one time only, right? Then
Yes.
you were able to answer it, and you were able to incorporate in your answer the theme of the Southern Latest celebration. So mo na makaingon ko nga, there is something about this girl. That is why dili pwede o dili mahitabo na yung atong kabunot nga dili basta-basta ra ba ni sudlanan kay pinalit panigikan sa Amerika. So I have prepared for you 7 questions, famous questions that were asked to the Miss Universe representatives. So, pito ni. Pero 5 ra imong ansiran. Pero ganun ko kang answer ni tanan. But I don't really have this kuan nga murag nay kakulba nga gibati gamay dili ka mag-answer because you are really good for me, ha. So this is what you're going to do. We'll just pick one of the roll papers here. Then you hand it to me. I'm going to read the question to you, and then just answer it the way you want to answer the question. Okay. Let's do it. Dili basta-basta. Wa man ni timer. So, this was the question given to Shanice Palacios, or yes, our Miss Universe 2022. The question is, what qualities and values guide you as a leader and role model for others? What qualities and values guide you as a leader and role model for others?
As a certified yoga teacher and a yoga practitioner for 9 years now, my life is founded upon discipline. And so I believe that it is my most powerful quality. I believe that discipline is the highest and most evolved form of love. And so if you have discipline and you teach others to be disciplined in themselves as well, it is truly the most powerful quality that will allow you to accomplish whatever it is that you endeavor.
Oh, labog na naman eh. Labog na naman eh. Oh, discipline, guys. Discipline. Uy, tapang mo. Ako hindi paningot. Kaya kung ako hindi pangutan natin, sumaingon ako nag-I-E-O. Okay. This was the question asked to Ariela Arida during, yes, 2013, sa pag-apil nito sa Miss Universe. What can be done about the lack of jobs for people starting their careers around the world? What can be done about the lack of jobs for people starting their careers around the world?
I believe the lack of jobs is something that needs policy. What is able to resolve that is implementing policy. So it's something that must be done by the government. And truly, it is what needs to be resolved. It's not necessarily poverty or homelessness that we need to resolve with short-term solutions. It is in providing our people with lifelong skills, allowing them to learn techniques that will allow them to provide for themselves, that we can create better opportunities for our people.
And that is in line sa theme sa Southern Leyte 2024, which is for self-sufficiency. Okay, yes. That is for self-sufficiency. Actually, di ba nag-start ng atong government ro, no? They are providing our people, the people of Southern Leyte, opportunities provided to them by the government. Hindi no, ko Lord. Ikatulo na ni. The Miss Universe organization removes age limit in 2024 edition of the pageant. What are your thoughts on this matter?
Okay, so it's truly transformative that requirements such as age or height are removed from the Miss Universe organization. I believe this is pivotal because beauty pageants, we are not just here to manifest ourselves physically. We're here because we have a mind and a voice to speak for ourselves and for others, and a heart to share with those within our reach. And I don't believe that beauty is limited with a certain set of numbers, such as age or height. I believe that by removing age, we are able to empower our women to pursue their dreams, however young or old they are.
You know, you are ready. You are ready. Next, murag ako katingog. Murag, wala ko idugang paadto kay murag mapaong na ko. Grabe. Next. This was the question asked to Venus Ra during 2012 na pageant. What is one big mistake that you made in your life, and what did you do to make it right?
It's not necessarily a mistake that I did. It's perhaps something that I would like to go back to. Again, I was a big pageant girl in my teenage years. But later on, I slowly learned to let it go because I was constantly told that I was not tall enough. And so if I could go back and perhaps change this, I would tell my younger self that a superficial measurement is not a hindrance to your dreams. You're here not because solely you look a certain way. You're here because you're rallying for something that's important. And you're here because you have substance and intellect and qualities to share with those around you.
Pak na. So, mamaya itong madugang at buoy.
Nalisod.
Muna wala rin sa June na ni. Lagi pagnabay na lang ato, Ginoo Lord.
Mga questions na dyan ninyo.
Mga questions sabi nila. Ano ko dyan ipangandaman, kaya ba akong makatubag ka, ani?
Wala, taas mo.
Oh, that's na. This was the question asked, yes, to Miss Janine Tugunon, Miss Universe 2012. As an international ambassador, do you think that speaking English should be a prerequisite for Miss Universe? Why or why not?
I don't believe speaking English should be a prerequisite for Miss Universe, but I believe that it's an important skill or quality that you must have to be Miss Universe because, again, being Miss Universe is not simply limited to learning how to speak English. The world is filled with a variety of languages. And so whatever dialect or language it is that you are most comfortable to speak and to express yourself as a spokesperson, then that is what is important. However, I believe that speaking English is important because it is the most recognized language in the world. And so as a Miss Universe delegate, wherever you go, whatever country you're in, if you're able to speak English, you're able to communicate well with those in that country. And so it shouldn't be a prerequisite, but it is important that you know how to speak English.
Mic drop na ni Una kay Mike. Wait, no? So, ang pag-istorya ni mo in English, di siya mahimong prerequisite na din hinong pagka-apply ka, di ka maka-in-English. Kung unsa nga language na naa ka, as long as kaya nimo nga i-communicate ang imong ideas, ang imong thoughts, ang imong feelings, ang imong emotions, ang imong advocacy, enough siya.
Yes.
However, need sa jud ka nga makatulog English. Kay English is our universal language, right? So wherever you go, you will be understood by people, majority of people, if you speak English.
Yes.
Okay? Lima ra metong gingon dapat duha na hibilin. Kasi ganahan ka pilo na naman. Kasi pilo na naman ko, no? May Ginoo pagbigyan na naman gud paani ni Ja. Kay murag na-amaze magud ko. So, kang Gloria Diaz ni na question. In the next day or so, a man will land on the moon. If a man from the moon landed in your hometown, what would you do?
If a man from the moon landed in my hometown, I would first allow him to rest because being in the moon, that is exposed to a different set of environmental factors. And so if you arrive here on Earth, of course, that will be a shock for him. So before allowing him to explore my hometown and the beautiful places here to visit, I will first allow him to take his time to rest, because it is in allowing himself to rejuvenate that he will be able to enjoy my hometown, Tomas Opus.
Yes. He will appreciate Tomas Opus more kung naka-rest na siya maayo. Kaya bisan pa kung sa kanindot ako sa kalugar, o stress ka, gikapoy ka, labad mo o you'll not appreciate that place. Perfect. Okay, last question. Alas na lang ko no dito. Dapat ko magating gidonol. Sadya na ni. Pero kung ako'y answer, no? How would you use the Miss Universe platform to promote global gender equality?
Miss Universe? Or should I do Miss Universe platform?
Ay, paano? Miss Southern Leyte
Okay.
platform.
Balik
Miss Southern Leyte
question.
platform. Kaya
So,
mas relatable.
sige, sige. The Miss Universe, Miss Southern Leyte platform is one that is of a wide reach in the entire province. And so in order for me to promote gender equality awareness, I will perhaps collaborate with schools or local government units to implement awareness programs in our students, in our government officers, and our individuals, because we must teach everyone, especially the youth, that just because you are male or female doesn't mean you are not capable of doing what the other gender is able to do. And so it's not simply about embracing our LGBTQ, it's also about fostering inclusivity in both what men and female and the LGBTQs are able to do.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Southern Leyte 2024 in our Q&A. Ang pinaka-gihuwat gajud ni sa tanan ang pag-answer sa Q&A, question and answer, the question and answer portion.